back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your administration dialer on Vici Dialer. So this is the link for the admin dialer, Vici Dialer. This is how you can log into your admin dialer. Just put your admin dialer link here, press enter, and you'll get this screen. Just put your username, password, and sign in. Now you are logged into your admin dialer. Now I'm going to show you how you can use your admin dialer in Vici Dialer and what you can do here. So you can control your backend dialer from Alright, now there is different options. First of all, report, users, campaigns, list, script, filters, inbound, user group, remote agents, and admin. So first of all, we'll move to report. So from here you can get all kind of reports. You can see how many agents are logged in. You can get agents sales report, you can get their disposition report, everything, each and everything. You can get each and every report from here. Now in the users, you can see these are the users that we have in our dialer. Now you can modify them, you can get their states, you can just change anything if you want. Now in the campaign, these are the campaigns which is running at the moment in a dialer. You can do any kind of modification that you want. In the list, these are the data lists that is uploaded on our dialer. You can modify these lists from here. Now in the script, you can put any script in your dialer. So if you want to put any script, you can go to modify, just put your just copy your script and paste here, and that will show on the dialer screen on here. So right now we don't have any script here. So if you put script, your agents will be able to see that script here. And the filters, you can put any kind of filters that you want. Inbound, you can set up your inbound setup. This is the user group, you can make any changes here. Remote agents and admin, if you want to make any changes in your admin dialer, you can do it from here. First of all, we are going to report. Now there are a lot of things, but today I'm just going to tell you the basics. I'm just going to show you how you can monitor your agents. So first of all, you have to go to the reports. Then you see the first option, real-time main report. You have to go to this. Now this is the real-time report of your dialer. Now you see only one agent is logged in and he is on pause at the moment. So from here you can see how many agents are logged in, how many agents are on call, how many agents are waiting for the call, how many agents are on pause, or are they on dead call or disposition. Now you see one agent is logged in and one agent is in pause. So that means agent is logged in and he's sitting on the pause. Now you can see all that information from here. You see, okay, first of all, let me tell you one more thing. You can select the campaigns. You can see, let's say you have 2 or 3 campaigns in your dialer, so you can just go to the real-time report and you can set up, you can choose the campaign that you want to monitor. First of all, you have to go to choose report display options, just right here. Click on that and you'll see this pop up. Now these are the campaigns. You can select any campaign that you want. Let's say if you select this one. Now these are the user groups. I mean, we have agents, we have admin, we have closers, we have verifiers and all that. You can select all that. You don't need to actually select that. You can just put it in all groups. You can select all groups here and select your campaign from here. Now from here you can select the refresh time. Right now it's on 40 seconds, so that means page will refresh after 40 seconds. We have different options here. We can change it to 4 seconds, 10 seconds, 20, 30, 40, 60, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. So we're gonna do it on 4 seconds. Now after that, just press submit. Now you just look here. The refresh time is 4 seconds. So after every 4 seconds, the page will refresh. Now see, you get your agents. The agents who are logged in, you will see them here. Now this is the ID. So we 8008. This is the ID of the agent who is logged in. Now you can see his status. He is sitting on pause. You can see minutes and the seconds. So he's sitting on the pause from last 13 minutes and 37 seconds. From here you can see the campaign. So he's sitting on this campaign. He's logged into this campaign. The list ID means you will see the ID, which is, I mean, you can see the list, the data which is running. Let's say we have, one second, let me show you this. So a lot of different data lists are uploaded on this dialer. So from this spot, you will see which file is running at the moment. You will see file ID here, and on this box you will see the file name. In calls, you will see how many calls did this agent get in a day. So right now it's just 0. Let me just go ahead and get him off from pause. So it's active now. See, after 4 seconds we can see it's active. Now you see 12 calls are being placed, 12 calls are ringing. We got a call.
Hello?
Okay, now 10 calls are being placed. I mean, that means dialer is dialing 9 calls this time. 9 calls are ringing. 0 calls waiting for the agents. So no calls in queue. Now 1 call in queue. We have 1 call in queue here. Okay, 0 calls are in IVR. 1 agent logged in. 0 agents are on call. 0 agents are waiting. 0 agents are on pause. 0 are on dead call, and 1 is on this position. So this is on this position. Now you see, we get off the disposition, the calls are ringing again. This is how you can see, you can monitor your agents. Now let me show you how you can pace up or pace down your dialer. So once you select the campaign and submit, just look at this dial label box. go to this box, select your campaign that you want to pace up or pace down, and right next to this box you can see this box. Now you see the dialer is running on 12, so I'm gonna do it on 2. Now you see dial level updated to level 2. Alright, now you can get all kind of information here, just like dial level, it's on 2 at the moment. Dial level leads, which means the leads that is uploaded on your dialer, and that the leads that are able to dial. So we have 6,489 leads that we can dial here. Now Hooper, you see minutes per auto, so 1,000 calls over 3. Now leads in the Hooper are 1,683. So if we don't have anything in the dialer, if list is if you run a file and when the run is completed, there is nothing left to dial, you will see 0 dialable leads and 0 in the Hooper. So when you see 0 here, that means there is no call left to dial. You have to upload another file. Alright, now you can see calls today. So we got 74 calls on this ID today, on this dialer. Alright, dropped and answered. So out of these we answered 12 and we dropped 7 calls. Drop percentage is 58.33. Now this is how you can get all kind of information. This is the real-time report of your dialer. Now let me show you how you monitor this. So just go to this choose report display option. Just select campaign. You can update the refresh rate, and you can see the option monitor. Now you can change it to monitor or barge. In monitor you will be able to listen the agents, you will be able to monitor the agents, but in the barge you will be able to monitor them and you will be able to interrupt them. If you want to talk to them, if you want to tell them, if you want to assist them or anything, you can select barge. Now you have to put your ID here, whatever the ID that you want to use to monitor the agents. Let's say I'm going to put 8031, then just submit. Now you see you're able to monitor these agents. You can press listen. From listen you'll be able to listen the agents. And from the barge you will be able to listen them and you'll be able to interrupt them. If you want to assist them about anything, if they're on call, you can barge them and you can assist them. And then this is how you can take the call, and if you want to assist them about anything, you can do that from barge. So this is the real-time report of your dialer. That's all for today. In the next video we will move on to another setting. So if you have any question about that, you can ask me in comment box. Just like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone, and you have a great